Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with just a quick project share and then a quick question. You're knocking stuff over. I had purchased, which a lot of you guys have did this before, I purchased those little gift sets. This actually is old, from Tuesday morning. The different cards and the different, the shaker sets. They came with the shaker material and the envelopes and the card fronts and everything and the phone. So I had 3 different boxes, and I bought them with the intent to give them to my aunt because she is like the card giver, like extraordinaire. That's her thing. Like she sends tons and tons of cards out to people. You know, that's just been her thing. And so anyway, when I get cards, I make them, and I usually, like when I do cards for no specific reason, I give them to her. And she also gives them out to other people if she can't use them. So anyway, like to the senior citizens home and stuff like that. So I made these shaker cards. My question is, and they're fine. I mean, they're not bad, but I don't know, they don't shake as well. I mean, I don't know, it's so staticky. So they come with the envelopes, and then they come with the front. You ever seen these? And then you lay down the glitter in it. And some of them work better than others, you know, and I tried to, like that one shakes fine. Some of them shake better than others, but they get stuck up there in that foam tape real easy. And some just, I don't know, do better than others, but they usually blank on the inside. So this says thanks a bunch. That says thanks, and this says thank you. And they have the envelope, so that's one set that I would give her. And not really extremely thick. I mean, it's a little thickness on it, but I don't know if the weight is any difference to mail those out or not, but she'll find out. And then this set, which I must have threw the box away. Like it's not here, it's the everyday ones. So it says have a sweet birthday. See, some of them just have to swipe it up and move. But I tried to use my embossing thing on. They're moving now, but when I wasn't on camera, they weren't moving at all. But anyway, so that's the long ones, and then this was like the whole front. And they have different stuff in there, like you can see in here. It's kind of like the, I forgot what you call it. But anyway, I'm just saying the confetti is different. You can see the sequins in there as well. I mixed some of them up. And they came with pink envelopes. And these were blue, and then this one, I think I threw away the box. The other birthday one says hip hop. But it's just hard, like I guess when you like this one, you can see all the stuff that's stuck. Like a lot of them are stuck on the side. And I was just wondering, like, what did you do if you had these to keep them from getting stuck? Like these are really like stuck in there. It just says hello friend. But they're still cute, and they're still worth giving. Wish. But anyway, just a little quick project share. But I'm just curious, like, if you had any tips on that, because I used a static, anti-static, that didn't seem to make a difference. But I still like them. But I'm just curious if you had those, and if you put yours together, if you had any issues with it sticking just like all around the edge because of the way the foam is set up. Like they all have, they're stuck to the edge, quite a bit of them. But anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.